Hello there, my trading friends. It's Friday, January 8th, 2020. Your cherry bomb trade is in for today. And I got a little ditty going through my head, and it sounds like something like this. There's something strange in your neighborhood. I don't know who we're going to call, but I'll tell you, this one here is a little bit of a different trade setup. Not in the sense that, hey, it's a debit spread, because we've been doing those. I swear we ought to call this the debit spread show. But we're looking at positioning ourselves in a bearish position for home builders, the ETF here, the sector index for home builders, has a liquidity rank of 2 out of 4. So if you don't mind illiquid, then this is the trade for you. We're looking at an IV rank of 15, hence why we're doing a debit spread. We already are positioned. So if you're one of those that follows along with us and you do these cherry bomb trades with us, you probably already have a position on an XHB. We're actually short 100 shares. We'll go into it a little bit, but I want to show you today's trade. I'm going to try to make today's video a little fast because it is a wonky, weird setup. So stay with me. We're going to hop into ThinkOrSwim right now. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. You can see on screen here, we have the trade pulled up already. That was sent to us in a cherry bomb email. We get those 5 days a week. 4 of those days have trades, and we put them on here using ThinkOrSwim simulated trading platform, Paper Money, so we can get all the learning without the real risk. Maybe someday, when you're comfortable with your mechanics and your skills, you can take this live in a real account. But thank you so much for joining us. If you're new to this channel and new to trading, head on down to that description. You'll find a link to go sign up for Tasty Trade's email blast. It's a bit.ly link, just so you don't have any like heebie-jeebies. I'm not, scraping your email, just sending you over to good content. I just make it a bit.ly link so I know that it gets clicked every once in a while. All right. It's a big YouTube world out there, and I'm just a small channel. So I appreciate every one of your views. And if you stick around to the end, what I really do appreciate when you watch my videos to the end, I'm going to give you a thumbs up. I haven't quite gotten that little graphic and sound effect yet, but I'm going to work on it this weekend, I hope. All right, so let's take a look at XHB. According to the email we got yesterday, where they taught this morning, I should say, it popped up quite a bit yesterday, and that hurts us in our position that we're bearish in this one. So. But this does set us up for a contrarian play. So if you feel like, hey, when something busts a move up like this, it's likely to come back down again, well, I can appreciate that. I like being a contrarian as well, too, right? I'm of the mindset that when something's moved up, whoever profited from this move is probably going to look to take those profits. But who knows? There's a lot of buy and hold people out there. All right. So here is the trade. We're looking at February 19th monthlies. So we should have the best liquidity we could get there. We got 42 days to expiration. And we're looking at a long put vertical here where we would be buying the 61 put and selling the 59. That's here. Notice that our contracts are 1. And the weird part here is even though we're trying to buy it, it's setting us up for a credit. And it's doing this both in Tastyworks and ThinkOrSwim. So that's why it's wonky weird. And I feel like the market's going to do a little bit of shifting in the morning, and this will no longer be a credit. But we can't really set this trade up pre-market. You might have to do this one. If you're looking to do this one, and to be a contrarian, you're probably going to have to wait till the market opens on this one. Because if you look at this, this is normally where we move from the build the trade phase to the probabilities trade, probabilities phase. And here we are, we'd have no risk to the upside, no risk to the downside. This would be amazing. I just don't think you're going to be buying or you're going to be selling a long put spread. I don't see how that works. But it's not the only one that's weird. So let's go ahead, and I'm not going to, normally I would right click this trade and go confirm and send and see that there is no real risk. In this case, we could profit all of it. It's great. So that's not real. I'm not going to do that. I am going to delete this trade, and let's go ahead and throw on what we actually are positioned presently here inside of XHB. And this is what I mean. It's also a little weird. So XHB has currently moved against us. I did get assigned, I should say, I did take a short position I'm short 100 shares. And to protect myself to that massive upside risk of being short, I bought a call, but I sold a covered put to, finance that. So here we are looking at a $15 of maximum risk to the upside. I'll call that basically no risk to the upside, which feels good. And I have a profit of 185 potential over here. But look at this pink line. Even though it's moved against us, it's saying that I've made $135. Hey, look, if that doesn't move, I'm closing that trade. But I'm pretty sure as soon as the market opens, this is coming down to somewhere down here. It'll be a loss. I can't see how that's not going to be the case. But yeah, so it might be something worth, if you can swing a quick break at 9:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time when the market opens for me, that'd be worth taking a look at. All right, so we can't really put on today's trade pre-market. I do record, as you know, I'm a working guy. I get up in the morning at, I get these emails at 5 o'clock. It's 5:42 in the morning here for me. So I do all this pre-market and then I go to work. So I can't do this one right now, but maybe when you're watching this, you can. So if you've made it this far into the video, this is where I give you your thumbs up. It's there, I promise. There it is. You can see it a little better right there. I got to get better lighting and all that jazz. So, and improve my set here, the studio experience. All right, you are the best. Thank you so much. It's Friday. You've earned a couple of days off, so go ahead and take that. If you haven't already, if you feel like I've earned a thumbs up, would you hit that thumbs up down below? I do appreciate that you do that. If you've already subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, we'll be here for you. It's all right. Maybe this is your first video. Take your time, get to know us, see if you like what you get here, and then hit that subscribe button. We'll be waiting. All right, everybody. Until then, happy trading, and I'll see you next week.